how to fix Sea of Thieves crashing on Steam. So first you want to click on your library, and then you want to right click on the game and go to Properties, Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and then wait for it to finish this process. Now you want to click on Browse, and then right click on Sea of Thieves exe, go to Properties, Compatibility, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as admin. Then click on Apply and OK. Now you can close this and try to launch the game to see if that solves the problem. Another solution is to right click on the game again, and under General you want to type -dx11 and then close this and try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, what you want to do is update your GPU. So you want to install your GPU application. So for example, for NVIDIA or NVIDIA GPU users, you want to install the NVIDIA app and go to drivers section. Then click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you finish installing, you will be prompted to reboot your computer. So you should reboot it anyways. And then launch Steam again, and then launch the game. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.